welcome to Dancing with Bella. So I'm just now waking up and getting ready. Yesterday was pretty rough. We had crazy weather. It was storming, it was lightning, hail, and I think there was even a tornado close by in the town of Franklin. I've been praying constantly for the families who were affected by it. It looked devastating. I'm not sure how bad it was, but on the bright side, today is such a beautiful day. It's sunny outside, it's windy, and it just feels perfect. I'm so excited for today, but I'm also excited for this video. Today I have a fun project that I'm going to be doing with you guys. I was actually going through Pinterest the other day to get inspiration for stripper outfits, and I seen a couple that caught my eye, but there was this one that I really wanted to get. Once I clicked on the website though, it was over. I seen the price and I'm like, oh hell no, I'm not buying this outfit. I could probably do this outfit on my own, and I could probably do it for a lot cheaper. So that's basically the goal today. Of course, I'm gonna be putting my own little twist to it. So let's just see what we do. I went to Walmart and bought me this cute little bra with this sexy little thong. And I also bought this underwear, but I'm not too sure if I'm gonna be using it yet. So I'm just gonna keep that to the side and I'm gonna focus on the bra and the thong. If you guys can tell, the tag is still on there. It was $4.96 and I believe the thong was about $2.50. What we're gonna be doing is pretty simple, guys. All I'm gonna do is take this multi-purpose adhesive spray and spray it all over the thong and the bra. And then I'm gonna be coming in with this beautiful iridescent glitter. I don't know if the camera's picking up on it, but yeah, I don't think it does it justice. And I personally picked up a white bra and a white thong just because I felt like the glitter would go with it. But you guys could choose whatever type of glitter, whatever color bra or thong or whatever. You guys can even use bikinis if you guys have any. Whatever you guys have, work with what you have. I also picked up these stunning crystals, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna use them for this project. I also went ahead and put down some paper because this is where I'm gonna be working. Once I put the glitter on here, this is where all the glitter is gonna fall. Now that we know what we're gonna do, let's get started. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna be taking the tags off. I don't think I want to spray glitter on this. Now we need to get the glue. This spray is temporary or permanent, but girl, we're trying to keep it permanent here, you know what I mean? So since we're trying to keep it permanent, it says to join the surfaces within 15 seconds with the adhesive while it's still tacky. So we're gonna try to do this in sections, and then it says to leave it and let it dry for about an hour. Now before I get to gluing, I did get this little cardboard paper from the bra. All I'm gonna do is put the cardboard inside of the thong, that way the front won't stick to the back side. You guys could get whatever you guys have. This is all I have right now. Now that we're all set, let's go ahead and spray this bad boy on. I don't know how much glue to put, so I'm just gonna do whatever. And I'm just gonna go ahead and sprinkle all this glitter in there. And then I'm just gonna repeat the process. That way we can get all that stuck on there. Now let's flip it over and let's do the back side. Oh my god, I hope it didn't stick to the paper. Oh no, I think we're good. I accidentally took the cardboard off, so I'm just gonna stick it back in there somehow. And then I'm gonna do the thong part. Alright, where's the glue? Oh, it smells like Elmer's glue. I kind of like the smell of glue though. I don't know, I'm weird though. I don't know if you guys will like it. But why didn't I think of this idea a long time ago? I could have been wearing a lot of cute outfits already. But hey, it's never too late. Make sure you guys get the sides too, because I was fixing to leave it like this and there's an empty spot. There's no glitter there. So let's get this side real quick. I know it says 6 to 8 inches. I don't know why I did it so close, but fuck it. Now let's take the other side and let's do the same thing. Oh, I think I got it pretty good over here. What was wrong with the other side? I'm just gonna add a little bit more just to make sure that it's on there. Shake it, that way you get all the excess glitter off. And then I'm just gonna lay it to the front. Oh yes, we drip in glitter, guys. Call me Queen Bella, baby. I'm definitely gonna be slaying in this outfit. For sure. We're gonna leave this to dry for an hour. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the bra. I don't even want to use this cardboard anymore. It's really, really tacky. I think I'm just gonna grab my man-eater palette. That way it won't get stuck together. For the bra, I'm not gonna do the straps. I'm basically gonna focus on this part right here and in the back side. Let's pick up the spray and start spraying. Oh yes. Now let's move on to the next boob. Sprinkle this shit. It's like a unicorn. Beautiful unicorn. I'm gonna do this bottom piece right here because it seems like it's missing a lot of glitter. So let's spray a line right here. It kind of clumps up for some reason, but I hope it doesn't stay that way whenever it dries. I'm sorry if I'm shaking so much, guys. As I'm moving the glitter, my camera is moving as well. I'm really hoping that I'm getting all the footage though, because if I'm not, then it's a pointless video. I think we got the front part and I'm just gonna shake it off. Shake it off. How does that song go? Sorry guys, I'm not a good singer. That's why I never sing. But yeah. Easy hack, just hold it by the straps if you didn't put glitter on there and just shake it like this. Now we're flipping it to the back side. Let me try to get a close-up of this. Like, who can resist all this beauty? All right, now we got to get the sides before we forget. We got most of the glitter on there, but we are missing some spots. So we're just gonna fill that in. And now to the other side. Now glitter, my favorite part. Shake off the excess glitter. You guys know the drill. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Make a bounce, bounce, bounce. Alright guys, so I think we're pretty much through. Can we just take a minute? Because like, damn it. I love the sparkles. All we gotta do now is wait an hour so it could dry, and then we could try this on. Oh my god guys, I'm so excited. I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Alright guys, so before I show you guys what the outfit looks like, I do want to put a disclaimer out there because to be honest, there's so much glitter fallout. It's crazy. Like my bedroom floor is literally covered in glitter. And I think I leave a trail everywhere I walk. I don't know if it's the glue or what, but if you guys want to put glitter on fabric, you guys could either use Mod Podge. Just mix the Mod Podge with the glitter and then use a brush and brush on the glitter to the fabric, or they actually have fabric glitter glue that you guys can use. I low-key should have tried that, but I didn't really think this went through too much, so now I'm dealing with the consequences. This is definitely not going to discourage me though, because this was just an experiment. But like I said, I'm still in love with the outfit. It's still super sparkly and sexy, and I'm definitely gonna wear it to either a club, to a bar, maybe even to a concert, a rave or something. It would have been really good for Coachella, but I think it already passed, or I'm a little too late for that. Or if you just want to take a picture in it just for Instagram or something, I feel like it will be really cute for that. So yeah. I'm still gonna try to make more stripper outfits in the future. I really like making my own outfits. I don't know if you guys know who Selena Quintanilla is, but she's a huge inspiration. Just because when she was alive, she used to do most of her concert outfits, and it just gives me motivation to do my own stripper outfits. I know it's not the same thing, but you guys know what I'm saying, right? Alright guys, enough talking. Now I'm gonna show you guys what the outfits are looking like. You guys ready? I don't think you guys are ready, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways.
City I'm from, hands up if you feel that. I ball hard like a Texan. Every Sunday you catch me wrecking. Belly bass through the intersections. Cool name Foster cause you can't catch it. And then catch them bops like Dre do. Ball hard like I play to. Run that back like Jake do. Better come prepared when we play you. We came to win, can't take a loss. Ain't shit about that ain't south. Team strong, we'll break them out. Lay them down, then rake them out. Texas, home of Texas.
basically it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, make sure to comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.